Can this QuickBooks video simplify your financial management? Join us in this detailed tutorial from our expert trainer who walks you through each step. Let's get started.
Understanding the settings in QuickBooks Online is crucial for customizing the software to fit your business's specific needs. The gear icon, often referred to as the settings menu, is your gateway to configuring various aspects of your QuickBooks account. In this guide, we'll explore the gear icon in detail, breaking down each section to help you get the most out of QuickBooks Online. The gear icon in QuickBooks Online is located in the upper right-hand corner of the screen. It serves as the central hub for all your account settings, making it easy to access and customize various features of the software. Whether you're setting up your company information, managing users, or configuring advanced settings, the gear icon is where you'll start. When you click on the gear icon, you'll see several sections. Each section contains settings that allow you to manage different aspects of your QuickBooks Online account. Let's dive into each section and explore what you can do. Starting off with the Your Company section. This section is where you manage the core details of your business and account preferences. Here's what you'll find. Account and settings. This is the heart of your QuickBooks customization. In this area, you can adjust company details such as your business name, address, and contact information. You'll also configure your company's fiscal year, accounting method, and other financial settings. Additionally, this is where you set your sales tax preferences, payment methods, and billing information. QuickBooks allows you to customize your sales forms, including invoices, estimates, and sales receipts. You can modify the layout, add your company logo, change colors, and select the specific details that appear on your forms. This ensures that your documents are consistent with your brand identity. On the Manage Users section, if you have a team, this is where you can add, remove, or manage user permissions. You can assign different roles to users such as admin, standard user, or reports only access, depending on their responsibilities. This helps you maintain control over who can access sensitive financial information. Your chart of accounts is a list of all the accounts used to categorize your financial transactions. You can add, edit, or delete accounts here, ensuring that your financial data is organized and accurately reflects your business operations. If you use QuickBooks for payroll, payroll settings is where you manage payroll-related settings. You can configure pay schedules, tax withholdings, benefits, and deductions, as well as set up direct deposit for your employees. The Lists section allows you to manage various lists that are essential to your business's operations. Here's what you can manage. Products and services. This is where you manage the items or services you sell. You can add new products or services, edit existing ones, and set pricing. This section also allows you to track inventory, set up income and expense accounts associated with each item, and monitor stock levels. Recurring transactions. QuickBooks allows you to automate repetitive transactions such as monthly bills or invoices. In this section, you can create, edit, or delete recurring transactions, making it easier to manage your cash flow and reduce manual data entry. QuickBooks allows you to attach documents such as receipts or contracts to transactions for better record keeping. The Attachments section gives you a centralized location to view and manage all your uploaded documents. The Tools section offers various utilities to help you manage your QuickBooks data more effectively. Here's what's available. Reconcile. Reconciliation is the process of matching your QuickBooks transactions with your bank statements to ensure accuracy. This tool guides you through the reconciliation process, helping you identify and resolve discrepancies. The budgeting tool allows you to create and manage budgets for your business. You can set budgets for specific accounts or categories and track your performance against these budgets over time. This feature is crucial for financial planning and monitoring. The audit log is a powerful tool that tracks all changes made in QuickBooks. It records who made each change, when it was made, and what was changed. This is especially useful for maintaining transparency and ensuring integrity of your financial data. Imagine you're reviewing your accounts and notice some unexpected changes that don't match what you last saw. With QuickBooks Online, which allows multiple users to access the system, the audit log becomes an invaluable tool. It helps you quickly identify which users made those changes, ensuring transparency and allowing you to address any discrepancies with ease. If you need to back up your QuickBooks data or analyze it outside of the platform, you can use the Export Data tool. This tool allows you to export your data to Excel or other formats for further analysis or record keeping. Similarly, if you're migrating from another accounting system or need to upload large amounts of data, the Import Data tool simplifies this process. You can import lists of customers, suppliers, products, and more. If your business uses checks, the Order Checks tool allows you to order pre-printed checks that are compatible with QuickBooks. This ensures that your checks are properly formatted and easy to use. The Profile section is where you manage your Intuit account settings, such as the Intuit account. This is where you can update your personal information, change your password, and manage other account preferences related to your QuickBooks subscription. If you have suggestions for improving QuickBooks or encounter any issues, you can provide feedback directly to the QuickBooks team from the feedback section. Let's say your catering business serves clients who pay in various currencies. Enabling the multi-currency feature will automatically handle currency conversions. This ensures your financial records are accurate and simplifies dealing with international clients. You can explore settings by clicking on Account and Settings under your company. Here you can see Advanced in the last tab. Advanced settings allow you to fine-tune QuickBooks Online to suit your business's specific needs. This area is critical for more experienced users or those with complex business requirements. Here's what you can adjust. You can review your fiscal year, accounting method, and closure of books. If your business is project-based, you can enable the projects feature to track income, expenses, and profitability by project. If your business deals with multiple currencies, you can enable the multi-currency feature to handle transactions in various currencies. QuickBooks allows you to categorize your transactions by class or location as well. This is especially useful for businesses with multiple departments or locations. The gear icon in QuickBooks Online is your key to unlocking the full potential of the software. By exploring and configuring settings available through the gear icon, you can customize QuickBooks to fit your business's unique needs. With a solid understanding of the gear icon and its capabilities, you're well on your way to mastering QuickBooks Online and managing your business's finances with confidence and ease.
Don't let your momentum stop here. Check out our recommended playlist for more helpful videos to boost your skills. Are you happy with this training? Make sure to subscribe for more great content.